Did you all sleep any?
We got up, we heard me walking around at 2 a.m. and outside.
What's amazing is none of it really hit my house. Look at Rachel's yard.
You got lucky.
Huh?
You got lucky.
Yeah, I pray for these trees. Okay, so this tree is part of it. It's like a tree that went this way.
Yeah.
Here is where it broke. See it? See the bottom of it?
Oh, wow.
They call it heart rot. The heart rot. The oaks have heart rot.
Wow.
How rotten does that look in there?
It's, I mean, it's not rotten, really. It's still pretty solid, actually, but it's just too much weight. And that wind just got it.
And there's the rest of it over there. And it hit the tree in the house a little.
Sue, take a seat.
You want to take a seat?
You'll be in the video. You're going to be on TV.
Huh?
I would have
See,
fell over at
that
the
was
start
part
thing.
of that. Those two split. You know, that was up against that, and you know how the. Look at the size of it. I can't take that. I wish it had gone that way and I could let it rock. As long
You
as
know,
it didn't go that way.
You ought to just clean it up a little bit.
Yeah.
Open your window and the cats can go in and out.
You're funny. look at this. Look at that knot. I'm going to call my neighbor down the road. He said there was a knot back there. He said, if this ever falls down, call me. I'm going to see if he wants that. You know, like a burl.